Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to my presentation today. I'm glad to meet you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naura Nazhifah, student of Faculty Telecommunication and Electrical Engineering. In this day, I will present about my proposal seminar, temperature monitoring system and automatic sprinkler hydroponic. Here I will explain about the outline. In this session, I will present 3 points. First is background, including background, problem formulation, scope of problem, and purpose. Second is overview of component. And the last is flowchart of research. Currently, the transfer of agricultural land function in Indonesia is quite high. It is evidenced by increasing function of agricultural land that is turned into housing settlement and also the industrial sector, all of which encourage innovation in conventional agriculture into modern agriculture. From this problem, research and also development are conducted among other by conducting hydroponic system. Hydroponic is a method of planting plants without the use of growing media for the soil. As the population increases, food needs such as vegetables and fruit also increase. However, the increase in food needs is not followed by an increase in agricultural. When agricultural land becomes narrow from year to year, the transfer of function to agricultural is also increasing. Therefore, to answer the existing problem can be solved by using hydroponic system. Problem formulation uh, part 1. How do I simulate the sensor through an internet-connected microcontroller? And 2. How do I simulate a mobile phone that is already connected to Blink application? This is already connected to internet for communication between a microcontroller and smartphone. In scope of problem, part 1, design with implementation of IoT technology of hydroponic plants for automation system to automate the maintenance of hydroponic plants in terms of watering and fertilizer delivery, so as to facilitate in terms of maintenance of hydroponic plants. Part 2, the design of the system automatic maintenance of hydroponic plants is to conduct investigation and fertilization that is done automatically. Part 3, the basic concept of design will automatically pour water and on the plant when it first turns on. For the next watering will be done every 3 days. This design can also do the mixing of fertilizer that are done automatically and will be watered automatically once a week. And purpose plan make it easier to monitor the temperature and humidity of plants. And 2. Maintain vegetables and fruit despite limited use. And 3. Automate the maintenance of hydroponic plants. Komponen Komponen lain Arduino Uno R3. To make it easier for us to do prototyping program to microcontroller. Sensor GHT1 for the sensing temperature and humidity objects that have an analog voltage output that can be further processed using a microcontroller. Flow sensor has a control for flowing water. breadboard to design a simple electronic circuit. LCD to display temperature and humidity, and jumper cable connect each component. These are the steps of my research process. I want to introduce the flowchart of my research. In this research, we will start with literature studies, which is in this step we will collect the data or reference framework to support this research. After after we found all reference, we will continue with system design of hardware and software. If not successful, then go to back design hardware and software step. But if successful, then continue retrieval data analysis, consolation, and then. So that's all about my proposal seminar today. Thank you for thank you so much for your great attention. My all just I will share be verifiable for of us. If I have made any mistake, please forgive me. I will answer all connection. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.